people say that I exaggerate, but it is reality. I was studying 18 hours a day because it was a situation where I needed to prove something that okay, I'll write something and someday I'll get selected.
So what is your advice? आपकी advice क्या रहेगी for any aspirant who is looking towards both of these examination parallelly? Forest भी है और civil services exam भी है. Considering from the fact that अब तो एक जगह एक ही optional है in the civil service examination and forest services still has two optionals. So आपने कैसे manage किया दोनों की preparation?
Back when I got selected, I had very less time to prepare for the forest service because I just prepared for civil services and by that time in 2018, I was very sure कि I write the mains and I do not get through. I was in the habit of writing every year mains, prelims हो जाता था, mains I used to write of civil services as well, forest service का till now. Till 2018, the examination of civil services mains, forest services mains used to fall between the prelims, that was common, and the civil services mains. तो बीच में आ जाएगा तो एग्जाम नहीं दे सकते, दो नए ऑप्शनल प्रिपेयर करके, तो कभी एग्जाम ही नहीं दे पाए. But then it was 2018 was the first time. I was very busy preparing for the civil services. I prepared for the civil services and then there was 2.5 months remaining. 2.5 months remaining, I spent all those 2.5 months for the preparing of two optionals that were forestry and geology, completely new but definite. The syllabus was definite because in science you cannot create something. I'm not a scientist. I'm just supposed to learn what is written and implement and write in the right way. So that was the thing that helped me. But now that the awareness has grown and people are knowing about it, I see many people who are preparing. And my suggestion would be that if you are filling both the examinations form, you need to prepare at least 1 month for both the optionals. I certainly suggest that you do not prepare it to the extent that is required for the examination. Just get the hang out of it, just get an understanding out of it, what the optional is all about. And when you finish your civils examination, you have ample amount of time in which if you sincerely dedicate your time and comprehensively make your notes, you're able to do it.
कितने घंटे पढ़ती थी आप वो सब?
मैं क्या बताऊँ, वो रियलिटी ऐसी थी कि वो डेस्परेशन का टाइम था. एंड कि कमिंग फ्रॉम, ऐसा होता है ना, यू कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी गुड कॉलेज एंड देन यू थिंक एवरीथिंग इज अ केक वॉक फॉर यू. you'll go and you'll write something and people will appreciate it to the extent that is मतलब आपकी imagination से भी परे होता है, but that does not happen and certainly it never happened with me. So it is because of this reason by that time I was reaching year 2018. People say that I exaggerate, but it is reality. I was studying 18 hours a day because it was a situation where I needed to prove something that okay, I'll write something and someday I'll get selected, whatever might be. It was not about any particular service. It was just about that okay, you are alive, you're able to write something, you're able to do something. So it was 18 hours, but it was certainly not in the same. It started with 2-3 hours. Right. Just I'll come and go and I'll write and everything will be done.
So having gone through the long journey of कभी prelims नहीं निकला, कभी mains नहीं निकला, कभी interview निकला and so on and so forth, what would be your advice to the aspirants ki what should they do so that they are able to clear the exam at a timely fashion?
Right. Because I experimented a lot on myself. I did this experiment on my brother and that he succeeded in the second attempt. So now I can certainly say that I have succeeded in my experiment as well. And what main things I felt, I realized in my preparation in a very later stage and I implemented in my brother's preparation in an earlier stage as well. First is we need to do the proper research about what we are studying. It happens कि बच्चे, मेरे जैसे सब बच्चे मैक्सिमम लोग क्या मार्केट में जो भी आ रहा है सब पढ़ लेते हैं. जो कोचिंग का मटेरियल या इंटरनेट में मटेरियल इतना इन्फिनिट है कि वो पढ़ते जाते हैं और उसका कोई लिमिट नहीं होता और दे डू नॉट कंसाइज देयर आइडियाज़ की एक लिमिट में रखें जिसको रिविजन कर पाएँ. सेकेंडली व्हाट पीपल डू इज दे डू नॉट राइट टेस्ट पेपर्स, या अगर टेस्ट पेपर लिख भी देते हैं तो उसके सोल्यूशन नहीं पढ़ते. और अगर टेस्ट पेपर लिख भी देते हैं कभी ये नहीं देखते कि पीपल हु आर गेटिंग सेलेक्टेड वो कैसे लिख रहे हैं. वी थिंक कि व्हाट वी आर लर्निंग वी आर राइटिंग एंड वी जस्ट राइट एंड पता नहीं क्यों सिलेक्शन नहीं हो रहा. लेकिन जब आप औरों का देखोगे ना कि जिनका सिलेक्शन क्यों हुआ है तो उससे रियलाइजेशन होता है कि कैसे हो सकता है आपका. तो ये मेन जो 2 पिलर्स है ना कि आपका प्रॉपर रिसर्च होने चाहिए और जो सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनके चाहे वीडियोस से आप गाइडेंस लें, चाहे आप उनकी कॉपीज से उनके नोट्स से गाइडेंस लें, लेकिन ले ज़रूर.
I think very valuable advice for all the aspirants कि कैसे वो लोग approach कर सकते हैं. I think it is valid for other examinations also, the same approach.
Right, same approach, because there is a sea of content that is available.
Correct.
And people think कि बस इस coaching में गए, इन्होंने जितना पढ़ा दिया इतना पढ़ेंगे तो हो जाएगा. And now in Rajendra Nagar, if you see Rajendra Nagar, Karol Bagh, Delhi में, it's a market. मतलब it's a fashion कि लक्ष्मीकांत लेके हाथ में चल रहे हैं, वो fashion है. लेकिन उसमें कितना पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, उसके डिमेंशंस अभी उतना समझ ही नहीं पाते. और उसमें ये सोचते सोचते कि पढ़ना क्या है, इंक्रीमेंटल पढ़ाई करते करते ना, कि जस्ट कि ये इस बार इतना कम पढ़ा था, इस बार थोड़ा ज़्यादा पढ़ लेंगे. इंक्रीमेंटल पढ़ाई करते करते वो जब 4-5 साल बीत जाते हैं पता नहीं चलता.
जी.
तो दैट्स माय एडवाइस कि डू नॉट वेस्ट दैट टाइम, रिसर्च प्रॉपर्ली.
जी. आप क्या राजेंद्र नगर आके आपने भी पढ़ाई करी थी या आपका?
नहीं, मैंने भी आई वॉज द क्या पर्सन स्टडिंग इन राजेंद्र नगर ज़रूर से. तो मैंने वहाँ पे पढ़ाई करी थी. तो मैंने इनिशियली आई टुक कोचिंग फ्रॉम वाजीराम एंड रवि. देन वो मल्टीपल कोचिंग्स की, इससे ये पढ़ लेंगे, उससे ये पढ़ लेंगे, बट नेवर द रिसर्च की क्यों पढ़ लेंगे या पढ़ना चाहिए भी कि नहीं चाहिए. बस ये कि अच्छा इन्होंने कहा यहाँ एथिक्स अच्छा लगता है, आई शुड गो एंड रीड एथिक्स. But you have to do a research of your own, because after graduation you're smart enough, and now the pattern is changing in that idea that every person who is writing the spoon-fed answers or performing in the similar way, they're not getting marks.